Today we have a great smoking deal on this brushless combo kit from Makita. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribers and likes. Yeah, guys, the Father's Day specials from Makita are already here. I know I already posted another video earlier, but those are the Father's Day. Guys, this kit here, this is a great kit. This is the newest and the best drill driver or hammer drill impact driver. This is an 18-volt LXT brushless cordless combo kit with two 5 amp-hour batteries. So two big batteries, a charger in a bag. Of course, this is a hammer drill. This is their best impact driver so far for this line. $399. Alright, $399. I know it's kind of pricey, but if you guys looked it down here, it says buy one get one, so you guys can get something here. If I can click on it. There it is. Sorry, it's down here. Alright, so you click on it. There's two items available. Guys, voila. Here is the ultimate deal here, at least for this angle grinders and this kit here. Check this out. 18-volt LXT lithium-ion cordless 4.5 to 5-inch X-Lock angle grinder with AFT. $159. But this is the best deal because you're getting this. You're getting more for your money. Obviously, you're paying the same and you're getting more. You got the 18-volt lithium brushless 4.5 5-inch paddle switch X-Lock angle grinder. $179, guys. Definitely check it out. It's a great deal. So you select this one. You add both to the cart. You're going to check out the prices you're going to be getting these tools for. Check this out. On this one, this brand new X-Lock, they just had these a few months ago. They just released these. $123, guys. $123.57. And for the top of the line hammer drill, top of the line impact driver, you're going to end up paying $275, guys. That's a great deal. This impact driver by itself is like 200, almost $200 by itself. So definitely check it out. You're getting some great deals here. I know it sounds like, I know there's a lot of money involved here, but you're getting a lot for your money. This is a lot of tool for your money. Even if you just keep this, $123 is the steal for this, or if you just keep this, still, that's a great deal. So I'll leave the link down below the description section. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.